What up? Okay, so first let me address this makeup look. It's already filmed. I got you. Second of all, this is my hair. I tapered it somewhat, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. And I just put in the little comb, finger waves, whichever. And I'm really liking this hairstyle, so you might see it for the next couple of videos, just an FYI. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. You guys are here for me to do my hair, so I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna look a mess, but you know, that's the price of YouTube. Like, I mean, I gotta be authentic. No filters, baby. We're ugly anyway. I'm gonna get into it. Okay, everybody. Don't judge me because I look a mess, okay, and it's on period. So I'm gonna link everything I use down below, but I'm using the AWHILE, WAHL, I guess cutting kit or something like that. So yeah. So for the left side of my head, I use the right ear guard, and the right side of my head I use the left ear guard, and then the top layer of my head I use just a regular straight across guard. I saw the left right ear thing in somebody else's video, so I'll link it down below as well. So yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I'ma holla at ya. Don't forget to add a little extra to your ordinary, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bye.